Welcome to the in front of me Oppo Reno 7, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the notifications sound section, volume panel. So just to mute your device notifications, you should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger, and that's it. And also we can do it by the second way. Just press up or down volume button here and click on the three dots, and you'll see here the same notification volume panel. Just swipe to the left side notification panel, and by this way you will also mute your device notifications. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.